Stop throwing away those veggie scraps. What if I told you that your leftover lettuce, green onions, or even garlic can grow again right in your kitchen? Today, I'm going to show you 14 store-bought vegetables and herbs that you can easily regrow, saving money and eating fresh all year. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss tips that make your garden and kitchen smarter, greener, and more productive. Trust me, you'll want to grow along with us. Regrowing vegetables and herbs from scraps is not only eco-friendly, but it's also an easy way to enjoy fresh produce without constant trips to the store. In this video, we'll cover 14 common store-bought vegetables and herbs that almost anyone can regrow at home, step by step. I'll share insider tips, common mistakes to avoid, and even bonus tricks that most gardeners don't know. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your first kitchen garden or a seasoned green thumb, these methods are simple, cost-effective, and incredibly satisfying. So grab your scraps and let's turn yesterday's leftovers into tomorrow's harvest. Vegetable 1. Green onions. Green onions are one of the easiest vegetables to grow at home, and you probably already throw away the white roots after using the tops. Start by placing those white root ends in a small glass or jar of water, making sure the roots are submerged but the tops stay above water. Within just a few days, you'll notice fresh green shoots sprouting. Rotate the jar so all sides get sunlight, ideally near a sunny windowsill, and change the water every 2 days to prevent mold of bacteria. In about 1 to 2 weeks, you can start harvesting the green tops and continue growing them repeatedly. For best results, trim only the green tops when harvesting and leave the roots intact. This allows the plant to keep growing without stress, giving you multiple harvests from the same original piece. You can also use the regrown green onions in salads, soups, or as a garnish, making sure nothing goes to waste and your dishes stay fresh and flavorful. Bonus tip. For an even faster harvest, plant the regrown green onions directly into soil once the shoots are 2 to 3 inches tall. This encourages stronger growth and a longer lasting supply, making your kitchen garden nearly self-sustaining. Vegetable 2. Lettuce. Did you know that the base of your store-bought lettuce can grow into a whole new plant? Instead of tossing the core, save it and place it in a shallow bowl of water with the root end facing down. Within just a few days, you'll see new leaves starting to sprout from the center. Keep it in a bright spot, but avoid direct scorching sunlight, and change the water every couple of days to prevent stagnation. In about 1 to 2 weeks, the lettuce will be ready to either transplant into soil or continue growing in water for a fresh salad supply. To maximize growth, trim any wilted or yellow leaves as they appear. This encourages the plant to focus energy on producing new healthy leaves. You can also try regrowing different types of lettuce, like romaine or butterhead, to have a variety of textures and flavors from your scraps. Bonus tip. Once the lettuce roots are well established, transplant them into a pot with nutrient-rich soil. This step significantly boosts growth speed and leaf size, giving you a near-continuous harvest for your kitchen or small garden. Vegetable 3. Garlic. Most people throw away garlic cloves once they sprout, but those green shoots are actually edible and can grow into full garlic bulbs. Start by placing a clove in a small pot with the pointed end up and the root end slightly buried in moist soil. Keep it in a sunny spot and water lightly to maintain dampness without waterlogging. In a few weeks, you'll notice green shoots emerging, which can be harvested for cooking while the clove continues growing underground. Over time, the clove will develop into a full garlic bulb, giving you multiple uses from a single piece. For best results, use organic garlic, as it tends to sprout more reliably than supermarket-treated bulbs. You can also separate cloves from a bulb to increase the number of plants you grow, giving you a small garlic garden from just a few cloves. The green garlic shoots are perfect for stir-fries, soups, or as a garnish, making your dishes fresher and more flavorful. If you leave one clove in the soil and let it mature fully, it can produce multiple new cloves when harvested. This allows you to continually propagate garlic in your home garden with minimal effort and cost. Vegetable 4. Carrots. While most people only eat the orange root of a carrot, the leafy green tops can actually be regrown and used in your kitchen. Start by cutting off the carrot tops about an inch from the root and placing them in a shallow bowl of water, with the cut side facing down. Place the bowl in a bright, indirect sunlight area and change the water every couple of days. Within a week, you'll see fresh green shoots sprouting from the center. While the carrot root won't regrow fully in water, the greens are nutrient-rich and perfect for salads, pestos, or garnishes. This simple step reduces waste and adds a burst of fresh flavor to your meals. If you want to grow full carrots, plant the root ends directly into soil once you see healthy greens. This encourages root development and can eventually give you a second harvest of carrots from store-bought scraps. Vegetable 5. Bok choy. Bok choy, a popular leafy vegetable in many kitchens, is surprisingly easy to regrow. Instead of tossing the base, save it and place it in a shallow bowl with the root end submerged in water. Keep it in a spot that gets bright, indirect sunlight and change the water every couple of days. Within a few days, you'll notice new leaves beginning to sprout from the center. In about 1 to 2 weeks, the plant will be ready to either continue growing in water or be transplanted into soil for a more robust harvest. To maximize growth, snip off outer leaves as you use them, allowing the inner leaves to flourish. You can also rotate bok choy bases, keeping multiple plants in water to maintain a constant supply of fresh greens for stir-fries, soups, or salads. This method is a cost-effective way to enjoy continuous bok choy without repeated trips to the store. Transplanting your regrown bok choy into soil encourages stronger stems and larger leaves, giving you a longer-lasting, more productive plant. With proper care, one base can supply fresh celery for months. Vegetable 6. Celery. Celery is one of the most satisfying vegetables to regrow because it comes back quickly and can thrive indoors. Start by cutting off the base of the celery stalk and placing it in a shallow bowl of warm water, root side down. Position the bowl in a bright spot with indirect sunlight, and change the water every couple of days to keep it fresh. Within a week, you'll notice tiny leaves beginning to sprout from the center. And in 2 to 3 weeks, the celery will be ready for harvesting. For best results, harvest the outer stalks first and leave the inner stalks to continue growing. You can keep multiple celery bases in water at once to create a nearly continuous supply of fresh stalks for soups, salads, and juices. The regrown celery leaves are also edible and can add flavor to dishes, reducing waste entirely. Vegetable 7. Basil. Basil is a fragrant herb that's incredibly easy to regrow from cuttings, making it perfect for indoor gardens. Start by taking a healthy stem with at least 3 sets of leaves from your store-bought basil. Place the cutting in a glass of water, ensuring that the nodes, where the leaves meet the stem, are submerged. Within a few days, roots will start to develop, and in about 1 to 2 weeks, the basil will be ready to transplant into soil or continue growing in water for a fresh supply of aromatic leaves. To encourage bushier growth, pinch off the top leaves regularly. This forces the plant to produce more stems, giving you a fuller, more productive basil plant. You can also rotate cuttings, keeping several glasses going at once to maintain a continuous harvest for cooking. Fresh basil leaves are perfect for pesto, salads, or garnishes, adding flavor without the need to buy more herbs. Bonus tip. Once transplanted into soil, basil thrives with regular pruning and consistent sunlight. By keeping the plant healthy and hydrated, you can enjoy fresh basil for months from a single cutting. Vegetable 8. Cilantro. Coriander. Cilantro is another herb you can easily regrow at home, and it thrives from the stems you would normally toss. Take the base of your store-bought cilantro and place it in a small glass of water, making sure the roots are submerged while the green tops stay above water. Position it in a bright, indirect sunlight spot, and within a few days, new leaves will begin to sprout. In about 1 to 2 weeks, the cilantro will be ready to continue growing in water or be transplanted into soil for a stronger, long-term supply. To encourage fuller growth, trim the outer leaves regularly, leaving the inner leaves to flourish. You can also maintain multiple stems in water simultaneously to create a continuous supply for cooking, salads, or garnishes. Fresh cilantro adds flavor to soups, salads, and salsas, making your meals tastier while reducing waste. Once transplanted into soil, cilantro prefers partial sunlight and consistent moisture. This helps the plant produce more leaves and slows it from going to seed too quickly, giving you a steady supply of fresh cilantro for weeks. Vegetable 9. Scallions, spring onions. Scallions, also known as spring onions, are incredibly easy to regrow and can provide a continuous supply for your kitchen. Take the white root ends you usually discard and place them in a small glass of water, making sure the roots are submerged while the green tops stay above water. Position it in a bright, indirect sunlight spot, and within a few days, you'll notice fresh green shoots starting to grow. In about 1 to 2 weeks, the scallions will be ready to harvest, and the process can be repeated multiple times. For stronger growth, rotate the glass so all sides of the roots get sunlight, and trim only what you need from the green tops. This encourages the plant to continue producing new shoots. You can also maintain several scallion bases in water at once to ensure a near-constant supply for cooking, salads, or garnishes. Bonus tip. Once the roots are well established, transplant the scallions into soil. This results in thicker, more robust stalks and allows the plant to keep producing for an extended period, giving you a sustainable and cost-effective source of fresh onions. If you're enjoying these tips and want to keep your kitchen garden thriving all year, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. By subscribing, you'll get access to more easy, money-saving gardening hacks, step-by-step guides, and bonus tricks that most gardeners don't share. Don't miss out on your future harvests. Thank you. Vegetable 10. Leeks. Leeks are another store-bought vegetable that you can regrow easily from the root ends. After using the green tops in your cooking, save the white root base and place it in a shallow dish of water with the roots submerged. Keep it in a bright, indirect sunlight spot, and within a week, new shoots will begin to emerge. In about 2 to 3 weeks, the leeks will be ready for harvesting again, giving you a continuous supply for soups, stews, and stir-fries. For stronger growth, harvest only the outer shoots and leave the inner shoots intact. This encourages the plant to continue producing fresh, tender greens. You can also maintain several leek bases in water at once to ensure a near-constant supply for cooking. Their mild onion flavor make them a versatile addition to any dish, and regrowing them reduces waste significantly. Bonus tip. Once the roots are well established, transplant the leeks into soil. This promotes thicker stalks and allows the plant to keep producing for months, giving you a sustainable source of fresh leeks. Vegetable 11. Fennel. Fennel is a fragrant vegetable with a unique flavor that you can regrow easily from the base. After using the fronds in your recipes, save the white bulb base and place it in a shallow bowl of water, root side down. Position it in a bright, indirect sunlight area and change the water every 2 days. Within a week, you'll see new green shoots starting to sprout, and in about 2 weeks, it will be ready to continue growing in water or be transplanted into soil for a more robust harvest. To encourage fuller growth, trim any wilted or yellowed leaves as they appear. This allows the plant to focus energy on producing new, healthy shoots. You can maintain several fennel bases in rotation, ensuring a near-continuous supply for soups, salads, or roasted dishes. The fronds are also edible and add a delicate, licorice-like flavor to your meals. Bonus tip. Transplant fennel into nutrient-rich soil once roots are established. This promotes stronger bulb formation and longer-lasting growth, giving you multiple harvests from a single store-bought base. Vegetable 12. Mint. Mint is a fast-growing herb that's perfect for regrowing from cuttings, adding fresh aroma and flavor to your kitchen without needing much space. Start by taking a healthy stem about 4 to 6 inches long from your store-bought mint, ensuring it has several leaves. Place the cutting in a glass of water, submerging the bottom nodes where leaves meet the stem, but keeping the top leaves above water to prevent rot. Position the glass in a bright spot with indirect sunlight, and change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh and oxygenated. Within a week, you'll notice roots beginning to form, and in about 2 weeks, the mint will be ready to transplant into soil or continue growing in water for ongoing harvests of vibrant leaves. For the best results, pinch off the top growth regularly to encourage bushier stems and prevent the plant from becoming leggy. You can maintain multiple cuttings in separate glasses to create a rotation, ensuring a continuous supply for teas, cocktails, salads, or garnishes. Mint's refreshing flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, and regrowing it reduces the need for frequent herb purchases while adding a pop of green to your windowsill. Bonus tip. Once roots are established, transplant the mint into a pot with well-draining soil and place it in partial shade outdoors if possible. This promotes explosive growth and allows the plant to spread, giving you an abundant supply that can last through multiple seasons with minimal maintenance. Vegetable 13. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a colorful, nutrient-rich green that's perfect for regrowing at home. Instead of discarding the base, place it in a shallow bowl of water with the root end submerged. Keep it in a bright spot with indirect sunlight, and within a few days, new leaves will begin to sprout. In about 1 to 2 weeks, the chard will be ready to either continue growing in water or be transplanted into soil for a stronger, longer-term harvest. For the best results, harvest only the outer leaves and leave the inner leaves intact. This encourages continuous growth and ensures that your plant remains healthy and productive. You can also maintain multiple Swiss chard bases in rotation to provide a constant supply of fresh greens for cooking, salads, or sautéed dishes. Bonus tip. Once transplanted into nutrient-rich soil, Swiss chard grows faster and produces larger, more vibrant leaves. With proper care, a single base can supply you with multiple harvests over several months, making it a cost-effective and sustainable addition to your kitchen garden. Vegetable 14. Parsley. Parsley is a versatile herb that's surprisingly easy to regrow from the stems you usually throw away. Take the base of your store-bought parsley and place it in a small glass of water, making sure the roots are submerged while the leaves remain above water. Keep it in a bright, indirect sunlight spot, and within a few days, you'll see new shoots starting to grow. In about 1 to 2 weeks, your parsley will be ready to continue growing in water or be transplanted into soil for a stronger, long-term harvest. To encourage bushier growth, trim the outer leaves regularly and let the inner leaves continue developing. You can maintain several parsley stems in rotation, providing a continuous supply for cooking, garnishes, or salads. Fresh parsley adds flavor, color, and nutrition to dishes, all while reducing kitchen waste. Bonus tip. Once transplanted into soil, parsley thrives with regular watering and partial sunlight. This promotes faster growth and a longer harvesting period, allowing you to enjoy fresh parsley for months from a single base. And there you have it, 14 store-bought vegetables and herbs that you can easily regrow right in your kitchen. By using scraps that would normally go to waste, you're not only saving money, but also creating a sustainable supply of fresh, healthy produce. Try these tips yourself and see how simple it is to turn leftovers into a thriving mini garden. Remember, the key is consistency. Keep your bases in water, provide enough sunlight, and don't forget to harvest selectively so your plants keep producing. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical gardening hacks, money-saving tips, and step-by-step guides, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop a comment below sharing which plant you're most excited to regrow. We love seeing your home garden successes. Thanks for watching and happy growing.